You know, at QVC, when they do these things, yummy, this is yummy. This is my numero uno recipe for a pressure cooker Instant Pot. It's butter chicken, but instead of any cream, we're using pureed cashews. So we learned this recipe from a home cook, Rumya Misquitta in Mumbai. By the way, this is a recipe that's not usually made at home. It tends to be in restaurants. And she had a totally different take on it, and that's because she used pureed cashews as the base. Pureed cashews are super creamy, gives it a great base, but it does not overpower all the other flavors the way cream can. I want to set this to medium saute, so I cancel. Okay, why is it timed? Look at that. This is not a heavy, creamy dish, but the cashews really provide that creaminess, blended with water as the base. This is super creamy. Next thing, we take a can of tomatoes. There it goes. So the onions go in, a little salt, and we'll cook that 5-6 minutes. So let me tell you why I'm in love with pressure cookers. Essentially, this is a pressure cooker. There are lots of times when I'm cooking, I have other things to do. I can't stand at the stove and stir and watch the heat, etc. So I like this because once it starts pressure cooking, you're done. I find, especially with this recipe, you get great flavor. That was my little speech. So now we're gonna add ginger, we're gonna add garlic, we're gonna add garam masala, spice blend, cumin, and Kashmiri chili. If you don't have Kashmiri chili, you could use sweet paprika and some cayenne pepper. Chicken, and finally the tomato puree. What you want to do before you lock and load here is you want to just distribute everything so it's in one layer. Now I'm going to figure out how to get this on because it's not like mine. So pressure cooking on high, 10 minutes, and then we're going to release the steam right away. So the cooking time is really 10 minutes. Okay, we've released the steam. Now we're going to add the cashew puree, butter. We're just going to cook this down to thicken the sauce for 4 or 5 minutes. Low saute. Add a little cilantro to it. Let it cool a bit. Add some cilantro and serve. This is so good. I mean, it's super creamy. No cream in it. A little bit of butter. It has a bright taste to it. It doesn't feel like it's something that's been cooked for hours. So you still get the taste of all those spices and the garlic and the ginger. You know, at QVC, when they do these things, when he tastes something, it makes yummy noises. So that's when they get their highest ratings. Yummy, this is yummy. This is really good.